Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do an Octopull. Obviously you're going to need to know how to do an Octopus already. Link in the description below in case you've never met that one. Also known as a loophole. So the Octopull looks like this. It goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is basically an octopus into a swizzle. So let's break it down and we'll do it from this side. So it starts like a standard octopus with the lady going in front first. So we're back to 2 hands. We bring the lady through in front and back to 2 hands. Then we bring the guy through in front and back to 2 hands, and the lady through in front and back to 2 hands. Now that's your basic octopus. The bit that's going to change now is we're going to go as if we're taking the guy through in front, except instead of just the right hand going up, the left hand is going to go up too, so the hands are close together. We carry on through to the other side, dip them, take them over to the left, over the lady, so the lady's going round to her right, turn direction. As the lady comes round, you dip the right, so it's going to fold up behind the lady's back as she goes around a second time. She comes around, we drop the left hand out to the left and a little step back for the lady, and then you could do any kind of swizzle movement you like. We're just going to do the return, and if you want to stay 2 hands you could, but we're going to let go with the right, stepping back with the left, just so you're in a left or right at the end. So you could do a swizzle at the end, 2-handed move, left-handed move. So let's do that again, and this time we'll talk some numbers and we'll give you the other view. So it goes back and off a 1, left over the lady 2, catching 3, right over the guy 4, catching 5, left over the lady 6, catching 7, 2 hands high 8, dip and turn 1, round again 2, little rock 3, returning 4 and back 5. So let's try it to a count. Here we go. 5, a 6, an Octopull. We go a back, ladies in front, and a catch. A guy's in front, and a catch. A lady's in front, catch, 2 hands high, dip and turn, round again, and look, return, and back. And you're done. That's it. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. If you like, subscribe and hit the bell, it would be much appreciated. And hitting the bell means you'll know every time a new video comes out. I'll stick a music recommendation on the end, and we'll catch you next time. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.